Hello, everyone. Well, yesterday we got some very sad news indeed. The iconic, legendary Canadian singer and songwriter Ian Tyson passed away yesterday morning at the age of 89. It was not unexpected, but it's still very sad to have lost this iconic Canadian star. So I'm going to sing probably Ian's best known song for you today in tribute to that wonderful artist. This song was called Four Strong Winds, and it's actually the very first song that Ian Tyson ever wrote. He wrote it back in around 1962. He and Sylvia were living in New York City at the time, and there was this young fellow named Bob Dylan hanging around the village, and unlike most of the other folk singers in the village in New York at that time, this Dylan guy was writing songs. And Ian and Sylvia listened to some of his songs and were inspired. Ian was inspired. Well, if he can do it, so can I. So he sat down and he wrote Four Strong Winds in about 20 minutes, apparently. And it's a beautiful, beautiful song. And I'm going to sing it today for you in tribute to Mr. Ian Tyson. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound to moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I think I'll go out to Alberta. Weather's good there in the fall. I've got some friends that I can go to working for. Still, I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies, and if things are looking good, you could meet me if I sent you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, and there ain't too much for you to do, and those winds sure can blow cold away out there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all these things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Four Strong Winds by Ian Tyson. Safe home, Ian.